Are you struggling to lose fat, build muscle, or just feel more energetic but feel confused about whether whey protein is right for you? You're not alone. Today we'll dive into everything you need to know about whey protein, no fluff. No jargon, just the facts. This is for Indians, beginners, and advanced alike, made simple with zero judgment. First things first, let's clear the air on some myths. Whey protein is not a magic powder. It's not a steroid. And it's definitely not a shortcut. But if used right, it can be a game changer. So what is whey protein? Simply put, whey is the liquid part of milk that separates during the cheese-making process. When milk turns into cheese, you get a thick part and a liquid part. That liquid whey is processed, dried, and turned into the powder that millions use worldwide. Now there are three main types: whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, and whey protein hydrolysate. Concentrate has around 70 to 80% protein, still contains some lactose and fat. Isolate is more refined, over 90% protein and almost no lactose or fat. Hydrolysate is pre-digested for faster absorption. Which one is for you? You're lactose intolerant or cutting fat aggressively? Isolate is your best bet. For general use and affordability, concentrate is perfect. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions. What is whey protein made from? Milk. During cheese making, when milk is turned into curd, the remaining liquid is whey. Is whey protein good for vegetarians? Absolutely. It's derived from milk, which comes from vegetarian sources like cows, buffaloes, etc. Can it cause weight gain? By itself, no. However, if you consume it with excessive calories, it could lead to weight gain. Does whey protein increase testosterone? There's limited evidence suggesting a small increase in testosterone levels, but it's not a significant enough change for most people to notice any difference. Will whey protein cause hair loss? There's no solid evidence linking whey protein to hair loss. In fact, protein is essential for maintaining healthy hair. Is it safe for diabetics? Yes. Whey protein is safe for diabetics when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. It does not directly affect blood sugar levels. However, individuals with diabetes should still monitor their blood sugar levels and consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian for personalized advice. Do you need to buy expensive brands? No, choose based on your needs, taste, and budget. Reputable brands have different options. Which is better, casein or whey? Casein is another dairy protein, but it digests slowly, keeping you full for a long time. Whey digests fast, providing quick amino acids to your bloodstream. Both are great, but whey is popular because of its faster absorption and benefits for muscle growth and recovery. How long does it take to see results with whey protein? Results vary depending on your goals, diet, and exercise routine. For some, noticeable changes in muscle definition or weight loss may take 4 to 6 weeks or longer. Remember, consistency is key. Is whey protein good for athletes? Yes, it can help athletes recover faster from intense workouts or competitions. Due to its high protein content and essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth, it can also help them meet their increased protein requirements for optimal performance and recovery. Should I drink it if I don't work out? If you don't work out, chances are you probably don't need whey protein. People who don't work out typically don't require the extra protein that whey supplements offer. They can easily meet their protein needs through a well-balanced diet consisting of various protein-rich foods, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and nuts. However, if an individual has specific dietary restrictions or conditions that affect their ability to obtain sufficient protein from food, they may consider taking whey protein as a dietary supplement under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Who should take whey protein? If you're a gym-goer athlete, teenager who's training hard, or someone who struggles to hit protein intake through food, then whey protein is a practical supplement for you. Wait, what about age? The safe age to start whey protein is around 16 to 18 years old, provided there are no medical issues and the diet is being supervised. Below that, focus on whole foods. Let's bust some common myths. Whey protein is a steroid. False. Whey is just dairy protein. Damages kidneys. Wrong. For healthy people, it has no adverse effects on the kidneys. Women will bulk up. Another myth. Protein helps tone and shape muscles, not bulk. You only need it if you go to the gym. False. Anyone who doesn't meet their protein needs can benefit. Now let's talk benefits. It helps preserve muscle while in a calorie deficit, speeds up recovery. Convenient post-workout nutrition, keeps you full, reducing binge eating. Now the big question, how much to take? For general fat loss or muscle maintenance, aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight per day. For muscle gain, go for 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. If your diet already meets this, you may not need whey. But if you fall short like most Indians do, then 1 or 2 scoops a day can bridge the gap. 1 scoop usually gives you about 20 to 25 grams of protein. When to take it? Right after your workout for best muscle repair. As a mid-meal if you're trying to curb hunger. As a breakfast boost if you're short on time. How to take it? Mix with water for faster digestion. Mix with milk if you're gaining muscle and want extra calories. Blend with fruits for a tasty smoothie. Side effects. For most, there are none. Some might feel bloated if lactose intolerant. In that case, isolate is better. Always check the label for added sugar or filler ingredients. Let's shift our focus to your goals. Are you ready to reach your fitness aspirations with a customized meal plan, a workout regimen tailored to your needs, and a coach to guide you every step of the way? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, we've got you covered. Our platform offers flexible plans, expert coaches, and a supportive community. Let us help you unlock your full potential and achieve your fitness goals. For fat loss, protein keeps you full and protects muscle during a calorie deficit. For muscle gain, protein helps with muscle repair and growth. For general health, protein supports immune function, skin, hair, and nails. You see, protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's for everyone. Now let's discuss some brands. We'll keep it Indio-friendly. Budget options. Muscle Blaze Big Muscles, Azidias, Mid-Range, Optimum Nutrition, MyProtein, Premium Isopure, Dimetize. Always check protein per scoop. Ingredient list, third-party testing if available. Finally, a word on the supplement industry. Don't get fooled by marketing. Whey protein is a supplement, not a replacement for good food. It helps, supports. But your real results come from consistency, discipline, and smart eating. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't overthink which brand to start with. Pick a decent one. Start tracking your intake and watch your body transform. If this helped, smash that like button, share this with a friend who's been scared of whey, and subscribe to this channel for more no-nonsense fat loss and fitness tips. This is Bob the Coach reminding you discipline beats motivation every time. See you in the next one.